Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the computers online class. In our previous class, we have learned the difference between hardware and software. Today, we'll learn types of hardware and different types of software. Important type of hardware devices are input devices, output devices, and storage devices. So, first of all, we'll talk about input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. The most commonly used input devices are mouse, keyboard, scanner, and microphone. The other commonly used input devices are trackball, joystick, and webcam. A trackball is a pointing device like a mouse. It has a ball at the top or a side. We can roll this ball with our fingers to move the pointer on the screen. Joystick. A joystick is also a pointing device that is normally used to play games. Moving the joystick helps us to move things on the computer screen. Webcam. A webcam or a web camera is also an input device that sends videos to the computer. It is commonly used for video chatting using laptops or computer system. The second type of computer hardware is output devices. The output devices are used to see the results of the computer processing. The monitor and the printer are the most commonly used output device. Speakers and headphones are also the output devices that helps us to listen to the music and other types of sounds. Now, the third category of the computer hardware is storage devices. These devices are used for storing the data files in the computer system. The first type of storage device we are going to learn is hard disk. It is the main storage device and it is located in the CPU box. It saves whatever we do on the computer. The other most commonly used storage devices are CDs, DVDs, and pen drives. Sometimes we need the files to be copied from some device to some another device. For this purpose, we use CDs and pen drives. CD is a circular disk that is used to store the data. This data can be carried to some another computer system and be copied into it. We will see what is pen drive. Pen drive is the latest storage device. Pen drive is small and can be kept in a pocket. It can store data more than a CD can store. It is also known as USB. So, my dear students, this was all about types of computer hardware. I hope you understood the topic. Now we'll learn computer software in our next video, part 3 of this chapter. Thank you.